Hello everyone, welcome to Guided. This is Aditya. 28th of February current affairs was remaining, right? It was didn't went live. Live नहीं हो पाया था. So what I have done is every news of 28th of Feb which we need to cover that I am going to do in this same session. तो इस वीडियो में हम कवर कर लेंगे इसको. News number 1 है Reserve Bank of India raised the loan ceiling means loan limit for the urban cooperative bank. काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. RBI का एक नया सर्कुलर है where urban cooperative bank lending limit have been increased. Second है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फ्रीज अप द बैंक कैपिटल विद एनबीएफसी रिस्क वेटेज रोल बैक. मैं बताता हूं इसके बारे में क्या है कि आरबीआई ने नवंबर 2024 में जो रिस्क वेटेज होता है ना व्हेन बैंक इज गिविंग लोन टू एनबीएफसी उसको बढ़ा दिया था 125% कर दिया था. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द लेंडिंग फ्रॉम बैंक टू एनबीएफसी सडनली डिक्रीज हुआ. सो आरबीआई हैव फाइंड इट इज गोइंग टू इट इज अ रॉन्ग डिसीजन. सो आरबीआई हैव टेकन इट डिसीजन बैक. डिटेल में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा विद इन द सेशन. आरबीआई अलाउ withdrawal up to 25,000 rupee per depositor in the New India Cooperative Bank. So RBI have seized all the deposit, withdrawal, lending of New India Cooperative Bank. Now RBI allowed each depositor can able to withdraw up to 25,000 rupee. इसके बाद न्यूज है आपका बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज कैटेगरी से. साउथ इंडियन बैंक लॉन्चेस SIB Quick PL. That is a fully digital personal loan platform. So Quick PL means personal loan. Quick PL fully digital platform that is launched by South Indian Bank. So it will be offering the lending facility completely digital, especially personal loan. Paytm partnered with AI startup Perplexity. Startup name is Perplexity to enhance the financial literacy of Paytm customers. We'll discuss in detail. National news category, Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh released the first edition of Ministry of Defense biannual Hindi magazine called Sashakt Bharat. So Sashakt Bharat is the name of the Hindi magazine that is launched by the Defense Minister of India. What this magazine is going to contain, full detail I am going to give you. Now 3 to 4 news are there from this particular site. That is Sarvanand Sonwal sir. Sarvanand Sonwal sir launched One Nation One Port to enhance the efficiency of ease of doing business. Along with that, 2-3 more initiatives have been launched on the same day by the same minister. वो एक बार में पूरे कवर कर लेंगे हम. National Science Day 2025, 28th of February. What was the theme of this day? That is going to be important question. तो ये हमारे पास सारे के सारे हो गए आपके क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, होमवर्क चेक कर लेते हैं क्विकली. सो होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस मैंने दिए थे आपको that RBCIRS stands for, so correct answer is it is Reserve Bank Climate Risk Information System. Important question hai. Second, what is the intention of this RBCIRS? To bridge the gap related to the climate risk data. So lending facility provided by the banking industry, how it is giving the challenge to the climate related challenges. So that is net zero carbon emission and all. So related to that, this RBCRIS have been created. ठीक है, तो ये आपके पास पॉइंट है. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन था related to Mal Hunter AI. This was recently came in some examination also. So Reserve Bank of India have launched with the support of RBI Innovation Hub to detect the mal accounts in the banking industry. Mal Hunter AI is the name of that tool. ठीक है, होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए कल के लिए. In which year Reserve Bank of India have announced the framework dealing with the domestic systematically important bank? तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट कब लॉन्च हुआ? सेकंड है सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम नेटवर्थ फॉर एएमसी एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी के लिए मिनिमम नेटवर्थ क्या है? एंड व्हेन डिड द आरबीआई प्लान टू लॉन्च द पायलट प्रोग्राम ऑफ क्लाउड सर्विसेज? तो ये पॉइंट हो गया. वेलकम टू गाइडली गाइस, दिस इज आदित्य. इफ यू आर वाचिंग द सेशन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, all the news will be covered in depth in details and PDF you will be able to get from this Telegram group. So join the Telegram group to get the PDF. Our UBI LV interview batches live and UIIC EU interview batches live. You can join the batches of interview to attend the classes properly. And we have the offer on Hustle batch, that is 549 rupees after discount. This offer is valid only till 2nd March. याद रखिएगा, till 2nd of March this is a price. After that the price will be back to 999. तो इसका प्राइस वापस से 999 हो जाएगा. स्टार्ट करते हैं रेगुलेटरी न्यूज कैटेगरी से. न्यूज नंबर 1, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया raised the ceiling means upper limit of urban cooperative bank. So urban cooperative bank will be allowed, that is small value loans. The definition of small value loans have been increased. Previously small value loans were the loans which were not more than 25 lakh. पहले इसका मीनिंग हुआ करता था RBI decided to revise the small loan not more than 25 lakh or 0.4% for the tier 1 capital, tier 1 capital, tier 1 capital cooperative bank, and whichever is higher subject to the ceiling of 3 crore rupee per borrower. तो दो पॉइंट्स यहां पर बोल रहा है. पॉइंट नंबर 1 है what is the definition of small value loans. Now the definition of small value loans is the loan which are provided by the cooperative banks with the amount up to 25 lakh rupee. 25 lakh rupee के amount तक होंगे उनको कहा जाएगा small value loans. First of all we need to remember the small value loans, this one meaning, and one customer will not be able to take the loan of more than 3 crore रुपए. 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा का लोन जो है वो प्रोवाइड नहीं किया जा सकता एक कस्टमर को. सो अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक विल बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड द स्मॉल टिकट्स लोन, स्मॉल वैल्यू लोन्स अप टू 25 lakh, and even providing the loan to one customer. In any case lending limit per customer will not be more than 3 crore रुपए. पहले ये लिमिट कम था, अराउंड 1 करोड़ था, इसको इंक्रीज करके 3 करोड़ किया गया है. Urban Cooperative Bank must ensure that 50% of their total loans or advances consist of small value loans by 31st March 2026. तो ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट डेडलाइन है कि अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक जितने भी लोन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं उसमें से मिनिमम 50%, हाफ ऑफ द लोन शुड बी small value loans. It means half of the loan should have the loan amount less than how much? Less than 25 lakh रुपए. ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. दूसरा, अगर 25 लाख से बड़े भी लोन दे रहा है, सो इफ फॉर वन कस्टमर द लोन अमाउंट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 3 CR. 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा का लोन एक कस्टमर को नहीं दिया जा सकता. देन फॉर द अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक हाउसिंग लोन और रियल एस्टेट एक्सपोजर लिमिट. So aggregate exposure for the housing loan, real estate or the commercial estate should not be more than 10%. 10% से ज्यादा ना हो. किसके लिए? रियल एस्टेट में दिया गया लोन फ्रॉम द अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक. मेनली अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक रिक्वायर्ड टू फोकस ऑन द स्मॉल वैल्यू लोन्स. ये कहा गया भाई स्मॉल वैल्यू लोन्स पर आप फोकस करो. हाउसिंग सेक्टर जो है उसमें 10% से ज्यादा एक्सपोजर ना हो. इन केस ऑफ प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग एडिशनल 5% is allowed because this housing finance comes under the PSL category also. So in the PSL category additional 5% allowed. For providing the housing loan facility for individual, 60 lakh rupees the limit for tier 1 urban cooperative bank. Tier 1 urban cooperative bank means the urban cooperative banks with the deposit up to 100 crore rupee. वो कहलाता है tier 1. Tier 2 100 to 1000, tier 3 1000 to 10,000, and tier 4 biggest urban cooperative bank with the deposit above 10,000 crore. So 1.4 crore rupee will be the maximum lending limit for tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 urban cooperative bank. Tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 urban cooperative bank 1.4 CR का लिमिट है, while for the tier 1 bank it is 60 lakh रुपए मैक्सिमम. इससे ज्यादा का नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, ये था आपका न्यूज नंबर 1 और सर्कुलर नंबर 1 ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सेकंड देखिए, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया डिसाइडेड to keep the risk weightage for the micro loan provided by bank to NBFC will be 100% or 75% or 100%. It will be effective from 1st of April 2025. Meaning बताता हूँ. Previously when banks were providing lending facility to NBFC, जब बैंक NBFC को लोन दे रहा था तो RBI ने क्या किया था, जो risk weightage है, that the risk coverage for the bank is providing loan to NBFC will be 125%. 125% का risk weightage लेकर चलना पड़ेगा बैंक को. So bank need to maintain that much separate deposits also for providing the loan to NBFCs. It means बैंक started avoiding providing loan to NBFC. ये rule RBI ने बनाया था नवंबर में. Now RBI is saying that it will not be 125%, it will be 75% in few cases और it will be 100% in few cases. ये 75% होगा few cases में और 100% होगा few cases में, started from April 1st 2025 onwards. So Reserve Bank of India data says that loan to NBFC dropped to 6.7% by December 2024 from 15% a year ago. तो 15% से 6.7% पर आ गया in December 2024 compared to 1 year back. Reason वही था, risk weightage asset को increase करना. So in November 2023 risk weightage from bank loan to NBFC was increased by 25%. So 125% कर दिया था RBI ने. Now RBI says that the loan provided, RBI clarified that the risk weightage for the micro loan will be 75% of for the loan fall under the category of regulatory retail portfolio or business loan, while micro loan, which will not be under the retail category, or small business loan, which is given for the commercial bigger purpose, in that case risk weightage will be 100%. So 75% for individual loan and 100% for the bigger, that is the type of syndicate loan, bigger loans. So 100% risk in that case. In both the cases it is less than 125%. तो कुल मिलाकर अब जब बैंक जो एनबीएफसी को लोन प्रोवाइड कर रहा था, उसका जो रिस्क वेटेज था उसको क्या कर दिया है, आरबीआई ने डिक्रीज कर दिया. सो इट इज फर्दर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द लेंडिंग फ्रॉम बैंक टू एनबीएफसी. आरबीआई अलाउ विड्रॉल ऑफ 25,000 per depositor for the new cooperative bank. So this new cooperative bank was unable to adhere the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India. They were not managing the adequate funds also. Because of that, RBI have seized all the transactions of new urban cooperative, this new India Urban Cooperative Bank. RBI also appointed one administrator for this bank, Mr. Shrikant. So Shrikant sir, former Chief General Manager of State Bank of India, was appointed as the administrator of New India Cooperative Bank. इस बैंक के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर भी आरबीआई ने अपॉइंट किए थे. along with that, one advisory committee was also appointed by the Reserve Bank of India. All of these we have discussed 2 days back in the TNA itself. 2 days back, RBI said customers will not be able to deposit or withdraw money from the bank. But now RBI have given the relaxation that per customers will be, each and every customer will be able to withdraw up to 25,000 rupee from their deposits. कि अपने deposit से 25,000 rupee तक वो क्या कर पाएंगे, withdraw कर पाएंगे. South Indian Bank launches SIB Quick PL, SIB Quick PL personal loan, fully digital personal loan platform. So SIB Quick PL facility recently launched by, they will not give you SIB in the exam, they will give you Quick PL facility launched by which of the following bank. Quick PL facility launched for providing the lending facility digital in which of the following category. तो PL से याद रखना, it is personal loan category provided by South Indian Bank. So it's a digital platform where unsecured loan, personal loan will be available within the duration of 10 minutes, completely digital, completely online. Need to upload the document and loan will be available online. Muthoot Finance recently approved the Reserve Bank of India approval to open 115 new branches in India. So Muthoot Finance is in plan to increase their reach in India in the different areas. Now they are planning to offer jewelry loan including safe deposit vault, multiple different facilities by opening 115 new branches. For this purpose, Muthoot Finance have received the approval from the Reserve Bank of India. RBI से इनको क्या मिला है, approval मिला है. And this Muthoot Finance have recently generated the profit of 1,389 crore rupee in the December quarter. Paytm have done the collaboration with AI startup Perplexity. Perplexity is the name of the AI startup which will be providing the support to Paytm. Now the Paytm customers will be able to get the financial literacy, access, that is accessibility to the financial data. In the regional language also it will be available. So now Paytm customers will be able to get real-time financial questions if they want to discuss related to investment, related to the savings. They will be able to get all the solutions on the Paytm platform, and these solutions will be provided by an AI model called Perplexity. तो इसका नाम याद रखना है आपको. What is the name of the AI platform which have done the collaboration with Paytm? Amazon Cloud Unit recently built the first quantum computing chip called Ocelot. Ocelot is the name of quantum computing chips. These are the chips which are required in your laptop, in your mobile phone. ये आपका motherboard होता है laptop और mobile phone का. Amazon have built their first quantum computing chip called Ocelot. So 99% in the examination currently the question will be Amazon have launched the quantum computing chip. What is the name of that chip? Or this Ocelot chip recently launched by which of the following company? तो correct answer बन जाएगा आपके पास Amazon.com. Although Google and Microsoft from the last 2 months also working on the similar type of project. So Google और Microsoft भी इसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. Amazon Web Services ने already launch कर दिया Ocelot chip that is developed by the team of Amazon in California Institute of Technology. Appointment पर आते हैं. Tata Son chairperson N. Chandrasekharan to lead Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation. So Ratan Tata Endowment Foundation, which is a type of foundation related to the social initiative, related to the social initiative. So Mr. N Chandrasekharan sir, who is the chairperson of the Tata Sons, इनको भी रिसेंटली अपॉइंट किया गया है टाटा एंडोनमेंट फाउंडेशन का भी चेयरपर्सन. नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज कैटेगरी, इंडिया टू होस्ट फर्स्ट एवर कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन द वुमेन पीस कीपर. दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस विल बी कंडक्टेड इन न्यू दिल्ली. सो न्यू दिल्ली में इंडिया पहले एडिशन का वुमेन इन द पीस कीपिंग मिशन कॉन्फ्रेंस विल बी होल्डेड बाय India. Which country is going to host it will be the question. Two-day event will be organized by Ministry of Defense and Center for UN Peacekeeping, participating 35 troops contributing the countries of the Global South. तो Global South countries के ये member होंगे. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will start the keynote address of this particular event. The event name is Conference on the Women Peacekeeper, where it is hosted New Delhi. And keynote speaker is Mr. S. Jaishankar. Next one, DRDO and Indian Navy successfully conducted flight trial, that is flight trial first of its kind naval anti-ship missile. So recently naval anti-ship missile was tested by the fire through the helicopter of Indian Navy. Indian Navy के helicopter से एंटी शिप मिसाइल को वो किया गया है. तो शिप से जो मिसाइल लॉन्च होते हैं उनको अभी हेलीकॉप्टर से क्या किया जा सकता है, काउंटर किया जा सकता है. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ काउंटर अटैक मिसाइल which is demonstrated recently. So DRDO and Indian Navy successfully conducted the first trial of first of its kind naval anti-ship missile. It is developed by Defense Research Development Organization. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh releases the first edition of Ministry of Defense biannual Hindi magazine named Sashakt Bharat. So Sashakt Bharat magazine have been launched. The first edition of this magazine have been launched in New Delhi recently. It will have the poems, stories, sacrifices of the armed forces irrespective of their rank को कोई ध्यान में नहीं रखा जाएगा. It is from the top level to the bottom level. Every defense person story will be created, means the major stories will be created in this magazine called Sashakt Bharat. So this magazine launched in Hindi language. This is the first edition of magazine that was launched by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ji. Sarbanand Sonowal unveiled One Nation One Port to enhance the efficiency of ease of doing business. So in One Nation One Port, currently in the different port, different documentation processes, there different registration process, different process for the export, import, that has been followed. So now Government of India is working over the One Nation One Port to enhance the efficiency with ease of doing business. So standard documentation process will be implemented. Standard operation process will be, that is SOPs will be same throughout the India on every port. This initiative is called One Nation One Port. तो इस initiative को कहा जाएगा One Nation One Port. It is a type of centralization of the process of registration or export or import from the different port in India. Sri Sarbanand Sonowal also launched Sagar Aankalan, that is the Logistic Port Performance Index 2023-24. So एक और इन्होंने launch किया Sagar Aankalan. It is a logistic port performance index, like which port is doing great, which port is doing better than before. After that, one more Maitri logo have been launched, that is showing the steps of India increasing the support at the international level in the maritime sector. For that, Maitri logo have been launched. What is the full form of Maitri will be important. Master Application for the International Trade and Regulatory Interface. This is what the full form of Maitri. One more point, very important point. India Maritime Week will be celebrated from this year onwards, 2025 onwards. So India Maritime Week will be celebrated from 27th of October to 31st of October in the year 2025 with the theme of Maritime Virasat and Maritime Vikas. Maritime Virasat, Maritime Vikas is going to be the theme. 27 to 31st of October 2025 it is going to be celebrated. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal sir inaugurated Bharat Calling Conference 2025. So Bharat Calling Conference 2025, not very important, simply we need to remember who inaugurated, what is the theme. Path to Viksit Bharat 2047 is the theme. It was an event where the different businessmen came together on the same platform to share their knowledge, which will be helpful for increasing the growth of India in the upcoming days. Mopa Airport wins prestigious Sarvashreshth Suraksha Puraskar. So MOPA, that is Manohar International Airport. It is the MOPA Airport of Goa. Goa का जो आपका airport है, it is operated by GMI God International Airport. So MOPA Airport recently honored with the Suraksha Sarvekshan Award 2025. इनको honor किया गया है 2025 awards. It is known as Manohar International Airport. ठीक है. Khajuraho, 51st edition of Khajuraho Dance Festival, where it is celebrated, Madhya Pradesh. Single one line का question होगा, that Khajuraho Festival celebrated in which state? Madhya Pradesh. Which edition of Khajuraho Festival celebrated in Madhya Pradesh? Dance Festival celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. So 51st edition of Khajuraho Dance Festival. It started from the year 1975 onwards. After that, Solar Energy Corporation of India, it is a Navratna company, recently collaborated with which state government for further working in the renewable energy sector. So 200 megawatt of solar project will be created in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. तो धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मध्य प्रदेश के सोलर एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया 200 मेगावाट का सोलर एनर्जी प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप करने जा रहा है. दिस प्रोजेक्ट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश इन कोलैबोरेशन विद द सोलर एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. एंड द लास्ट न्यूज फॉर द डे इज नेशनल साइंस डे 2025 28 ऑफ फरवरी को ऑब्जर्व होता है, एंड इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द मेमोरी ऑफ C.V. Raman sir, who was known for the Raman effect. School टाइम पर पढ़ा होगा आपने. Who was also honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. This year theme was empowering Indian youth for the global leadership in science and innovation for the Viksit Bharat. So PDF will be available here. Tomorrow the session will be live on the same platform, Guidely, morning 8 AM. So you can join it live. Remember that Hustle batch price is just 549 rupees. Till 2nd of March, after that price will be more. Please do not raise any request after 2nd of March to decrease the price. Price is less till 2nd March. Take the advantage of offer and join the batch today itself. Thank you for watching the session. I'll be live tomorrow morning. तो आपको session कल से live मिलेगा. So join it live morning 8 AM. Thank you for joining the session. Take care. जय हिंद.